Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm doing a foundation tutorial. I am doing the Revlon Photo Ready Airbrush Effects Foundation in the color 004 Nude. Let's see how it is. Is it a runny formula? No, it's kind of thick. It's not super runny at all. You saw how thick that was. I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and apply it to half of my face. Let's go ahead and see how much red this actually covers. You guys know I have quite a bit of freckles from what you can see, and redness throughout my skin. So we're just gonna go ahead and pat this down throughout the skin. And what do you guys think so far? Look at that. I think I got a perfect color. So what do you think? I'm honestly thinking that it's more of a heavier coverage. If you see this, like you guys can see, like it is more on the fuller coverage side. I am matte. I will have to say that. So what do you guys think? I actually think that I'm looking at the mirror here that it is more on the fuller coverage side. I am completely matte and my pores look great, by the way, because I put that primer on. It is more of a yellow undertone. Obviously you can see that, but I mean, that's a huge difference. Like all the red to compared to no red. That looks really, really great. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my makeup and come right back and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I just finished up my makeup and I wanted to turn on the camera and tell you guys I set it like I normally would with my setting powder. And it is a very, like more of a heavier looking foundation. This is the type of foundation that you do not want to touch your face at all today, because if you rub off a small portion of this foundation, you will notice it very much, because that's how heavy to me I think this looks. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in and you guys tell me what you think. So what do you guys think if you're looking at it? It's a beautiful foundation, but it is on the more heavier side. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Hey guys, so this is about 5 hours later. I'm extremely oily. I don't know if you guys can see how the light is just glistening off my nose. So I have my Scott one-ply toilet paper here, and let's go ahead and see what it does when we pat it down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hold that down, not moving it. You guys can see the oils are already coming up. And no makeup transfer, that's great. Okay, let's do the nose. A little bit of makeup transfer right there on the corners. You guys can see that. Let's do the nose one more time because I think I missed a spot right there. So we have some makeup transfer that came off my nose. Let me look in the mirror real quick, see what I think. What I'm gonna say is, oh wow, like it pushed right back down. Now, right here, you can see there's a little bit of redness. And right here in the corners where I get the most oily came up a tad bit. That's what we are seeing right here on those two dots. It did come up right there and right there. But everything else just set right back down, and it looks like it has like a powdery finish. So I'm gonna check back in a little bit and tell you guys whether it holds up for a few more hours. Okay guys, so this is 9.5 hours later. You guys can see how oily I am. But the foundation is still in place, so I'm gonna get my Scott one-ply toilet paper and push this down and see if it actually removes or comes off. Hopefully there's not more that come off on the side of my nose. Let's see. So a little bit, whoa, lost the camera there, a little bit. That's more so oil than anything. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and look in the mirror. Now, I have to say that I'm a little bit impressed here. I'm actually a lot of bit impressed. So besides that corner that came up over here, you guys can see the little bit that came up right there. Everything else just went right back down into place. I'm like, wow, I still look great. And it's been it's been 9.5 hours later. That is a long time. I hadn't touched my face at all throughout the day. So I'm gonna say that this foundation is pretty awesome. If you guys enjoyed this video and think this video is awesome, please push that thumbs up button and the subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.